Hi guys! So for my prop box I did a baking theme. So this is the outside of my prop box. The title is Let's Bake a Pie. So I'm just going to show you everything that I put in my prop box. So for starters, I made a recipe sheet, and if I actually had this in my classroom, I'd make a booklet of them so that every student that went to the prop box could have one to fill out. And then I just printed out the cover of the book Enemy Pie, but I'd actually have the actual book in the box if it was in the classroom. And then I made a vocabulary sheet of the different words that they might want to use or that they might need when making their recipe. So then I also included a rolling pin. I included a spoon, included a whisk, included measuring cups, measuring spoons, a mixing bowl, and then I also have a pie pan. And then I also had some craft items that I included. So I cut out a circle made out of tan felt and then strips of felt that they can use to make their pie crust. And then in these containers, I put labels on them. So I have red pom-pom balls for fruit. I have white for milk, white for flour, sugar, and then I used yellow for eggs. And these are just some of the ingredients that they might use when they're baking or cooking. So those were all the components. The materials I used were, a lot of them were actual cooking utensils that you'd find in a kitchen, and some of them were just craft supplies that you'd find. The subjects that I incorporated in were math, reading, and writing. So for the reading, I included a book that they could read or have the teacher would read it to them before they went to the prop box, and also just reading their recipes that they made, and reading the other students' recipes would count as the reading, and the writing their own recipes would incorporate that as well. I chose the grade level for first grade for this because I thought that would fit in well with that grade. And the theories that I incorporated when making my prop box were fine motor development, because when they're actually doing it, they're measuring out the ingredients, they're stirring it, they're putting it into the bowl. So it's a lot of fine motor movements. And then also a connection to real life experiences, because as they get older, they're going to be cooking in their everyday life. They might bake, they might share recipes with people. So this would be a real life experience that they might have eventually. So that's my prop box. Thank you.